Alright, STEM family, get ready because this next invention is pure electricity. It zaps, it hums, and it lights up entire rooms without touching a single wire. We're talking about the Tesla coil. So what is the Tesla coil? Well, imagine building a machine that can shoot out lightning bolts, make light bulbs glow without plugging them in, and send power through the air. That's exactly what Nikola Tesla did in 1891. The Tesla coil is a high-voltage, high-frequency transformer. It takes regular electricity and cranks it up to thousands or even millions of volts. Then, it releases that energy in giant electrical arcs, or lightning-like streams of plasma that dance in the air. Well, Tesla initially didn't invent it to impress people, even though it did. He built it to study wireless energy transmission, which is the idea that you could send power through the air to power devices without any wires. So, how does it work? Well, here's a quick breakdown, so don't worry, we'll keep it simple. Number 1. Power source. We start off with a normal electricity from a battery or an outlet. Number 2. Primary circuit. This includes a capacitor and a coil of wire like a spring, which builds up energy and then releases it suddenly. Number 3. Spark gap. A small space where the electricity jumps across, kind of like a mini lightning bolt. Number 4. Secondary coil. A bigger coil of thinner wire that captures the energy and boosts the voltage by a lot. And finally, number 5. Top load. Usually a shiny metal ball or toroid at the top, where the energy finally discharges into the air as glowing arcs. And here's the cool part. The electricity can jump through the air and light up fluorescent bulbs just by being nearby. You don't even need to plug them in. Now, what did Tesla use it for? Well, Tesla wasn't just trying to make sparks for fun, although let's be real, that part is fun. He believed that the Tesla coil could be the key to wireless power for homes and cities, transmitting electricity through the ground and atmosphere, early radio communication, and exploring the Earth's resonance and frequency. In fact, Tesla once said that he wanted to create a world system of wireless energy where you could light up a house on the other side of the planet without a single wire. He believed energy could travel through the Earth itself using the same principles as sound waves in air, and the Tesla coil was the tool to explore that. In 1899, Tesla set up a massive lab in Colorado Springs to test his ideas. And we mean massive. The coil was over 50 feet wide, and when he turned it on, well, sparks flew over 100 feet. People miles away saw flashes in the sky, and he accidentally shut down the power in the entire town. But Tesla was thrilled. He believed he was on the verge of discovering a way to send free energy to the whole world. What many people don't know is that the Tesla coil also laid the foundation for radio technology. Before there were radios, cell towers, or even Bluetooth, there was Tesla experimenting with wireless transmission. He demonstrated transmitting energy through the air, controlling devices wirelessly like his remote-controlled boat, and sending signals over long distances. In fact, Marconi, the man often credited with inventing the radio, built his first radio using 17 of Tesla's patents. That's right, Tesla technically beat him to it. And the US Supreme Court later agreed, ruling Tesla was the first inventor and the true inventor of the radio in 1943. Because Tesla coils look so cool and dramatic, they're a favorite in science shows, concerts. Yes, people play music on Tesla coils. It's called Singing Tesla Coils. Movies like The Prestige, Iron Man 2, and The Sorcerer's Apprentice, and even museums and maker fairs around the world. They've become a symbol of science, invention, and lightning-powered awesomeness. So are Tesla coils still used today? You bet. Well, while we don't power cities with them yet, Tesla coils still help us understand electricity and electromagnetism, test insulation and components in high-voltage labs, create lightning simulations for aircraft and space technology, and very importantly, inspire future inventors like those of you who are watching us right now. Tesla coils are also used in plasma globes, medical devices, and RF, radio frequency experiments. Engineers still study the principles Tesla has explored to improve wireless technology, including wireless charging for phones and electric vehicles. So the next time you see a spark or hear the buzz of static electricity, think of Tesla and the incredible invention that brought lightning down from the sky right into the lab. This is Young4stem, where future inventors gather together to inspire, innovate, and create. Thank you for listening.